I'm gonna show you how to foam roll and loosen up your hamstrings in 3 minutes. Foam rolling helps release tension in the muscles, relieve muscle soreness, improve flexibility, and range of motion. In this video, we're gonna focus primarily on your hamstrings. You will need a foam roller and a massage ball. If you don't have a massage ball, that's totally fine. You could just use your foam roller. Before we start, if you feel any type of discomfort or experience any type of intolerable pain, please stop immediately. Now, let's roll. Starting off, we're gonna place the roller by the lower section of your hamstring, and we're gonna roll gently all the way up to the middle of your hamstring. We're gonna repeat that a few times, trying to work on those areas that are really tight. After that, you're gonna place the roller on the mid side of your hamstring and repeat the same movement, gently up and down. Focus on those tight areas, releasing the tension that might accumulate there from working out or sitting all day. And last one but not least, you're gonna place it in the upper part of your hamstring. Roll up and down, gently, releasing any tight areas that you might have accumulated on the upper part of your hamstring. Once you're done with all 3 sections, you will place the roller on your lower part of your hamstring and roll out your whole entire areas. One last time. Please take your time and do the whole thing for about 1 minute. On the second technique, you're going to foam roll one hamstring at a time. So choose a hamstring that you would like to start with and place the roller on the lower part of your hamstring. And same thing as the first technique, you're gonna move your way up to the middle and up to the upper part of your hamstring. Make sure you take your time because this technique will actually require a little bit more intensity, meaning you can possibly feel a little bit more pain. Once you're done with one side, you're gonna move on to the next. Starting off at the bottom of the hamstring and moving your way up to the top. Make sure you really take your time. Focus a little more on the hamstring that feels the tightest. Even if you have to spend a bit more time in that section, please do so up to 2 minutes. I'm gonna show you a small technique that you can do to add more resistance into your hamstring. What you will do is place the foam roller on the leg that you want to work on, followed by the opposite leg. You're going to bring it on top. You're going to foam roll gently, take your time, focus on the areas that are very tight. You're going to feel more tension on the hamstring because your leg is on top, adding more tension and releasing more of those tight muscles in the hamstring. Once you're done with one side, you can move the roller to the opposite side and repeat the same process. Make sure you're working at your own pace. If you feel any pain and you need to stop, go ahead and take a small break and then proceed. If it's too much for you, please skip this process. For the third technique, we'll be using a massage or a lacrosse ball. You're gonna place it on the upper part of your hamstring. You're gonna start from there. Right now, we're playing hide and seek. You're looking for the areas that feel really tight. If you haven't found any, keep searching because I can guarantee there's always tight areas in your hamstring. Once you find them, rock backwards and forwards as I'm demonstrating here on the screen. You're stretching your hamstring as the massage ball is digging deep into those trigger points. Once you're done with one side, you will move to the next. And please repeat the same process. Look for the areas that are tight. Once you find them, take a few breaths, embrace the pain, let the ball do the magic, and then once it's there, then you'll start leaning back and leaning forward, creating a little more flexibility in the hamstring so the ball can dig in deeper. Once you're done with these 3 techniques, your hamstrings should be feeling great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please support our channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel because we post videos every week. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.